start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So today's video is kind of two reasons why I'm doing it. Firstly, it's a collab with the Nutty Nailcore, and the theme for this collab was designer. And I got very late notice of the Madam Glam early Black Friday 50% off sale, and they wanted us to promote their core values like the vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil. Yeah, and I thought if I've got to do a designer set, I'm going to incorporate the two. So I've gone with Chanel, because Chanel, I don't know how recent, but I know that they banned animal skins and animal fur, and they went cruelty free and vegan, which I thought was fantastic. So I thought I'll stick the two together, and I think they niche together quite nicely. So yeah, that's what today's about. I've got a 50% off code for Madam Glam website. I'll pin it in my comments. I'll put it in my description box with a link to the website. Take advantage of that, guys. It's the 10th to the 12th only. So if you're getting anything for Christmas, get it now at 50% off. So let's get on with these nails. So as you can see, the Madam Glam gels, the vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, henna-free, brilliant for people with allergies. They're a 21-free formula, fan-doobie-dastic. And I've pulled out some Chanel stickers. We're going to use some of them. So I've pulled out the Boardwalk and Hibiscus. I couldn't decide between the two. Boardwalk, this one is more of a baby pink, and Hibiscus, I'd say, is more of a nude kind of pink. I ended up going with the one on the left, Boardwalk. More of a baby pink, isn't it? I do like that nude one though. And I've also pulled out Water Tower. And this is like an off-white. I'd say it's a super pale grey. Just slightly off-white. I thought that paired up nicely with that baby pink. And I'm going to be using Perfect Black as well. So I'm just using tips today. I'm going to do two of them in this pink, and I'm going to do two of them in the Water Tower. Two thin coats on each one, and I'm curing each coat for 30 seconds. Yeah, guys, this is a collab I take part in every now and again with a collab group called the Nutty Nailcore. So there'll be a playlist in my description box as well of any other ladies that have done videos, and there's always a bunch of ladies on Instagram that take part as well. So feel free to go, if you go over to my Instagram post for this set of nails, you will see a list of ladies that took part if you want to go and have a nosy. This month's theme designer was chosen by Nails by Cami, one of my friends. So you've definitely got to go and see what Cami did. Right, so let's get on with it. Where we at? Right, that's the second coat. I put far too much on this, so I'm just scraping a load of it off. Far too much. Look at that colour. Ooh. So a quick second coat on this Water Tower as well, and I'll do the other two nails off camera. So I lied when I said two are going to be pink and two are going to be in the Water Tower. Changed my mind. I just can't remember, that's all. So this one, I'm doing like a diagonal. Just using the brush out the bottle, just to initially get it where I want it, and then I'll tidy it up with a detailer brush. I just want a diagonal going down this nail, and I'm going to do the white and the black on the bottom as well. So again, I'll just show you doing this one coat. Your first coats always look a little bit patchy. Don't worry about that. When you do your second coat, it all comes together. So this is Madam Glam's long fine liner, and yeah, I'm just going to neaten that. Do you like good music? Yeah. I can't speak today. I'm just going to neaten that line up. So now I'm going in with Water Tower, and I'm just going to do quite a thin strip of Water Tower, and the bottom half is going to be done with the Perfect Black. I clearly can't speak today, so I'm just going to shut up and let you watch for a sec. So now that's all my base colours down, I've pulled out for this nail a glitter from Nail Sugar. It's called Ethereal, and it's just a transparent, iridescent kinda, it's beautiful, isn't it? So I'm just going to use a base coat, cover the nail with the base coat. I'm not curing the base coat, and I'm just going to put the glitter in this wet base coat. I didn't want to completely cover the nail, but I wanted the glitter over the whole nail, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to sprinkle the glitter over the whole nail, but still showing colours of the nail. So just a sprinkle, and then that's going to get a 30-second cure. And same again with this nail, base coat and glitter, but I'm not covering this nail with the glitter like the last one. I just kind of want a little sprinkle coming down from the top, kind of keeping it towards the middle. No rhyme or reason, just because I just didn't want two full glitter nails. Literally just that's going to get cured now for 30 seconds. Now I'm just using an old top coat just to encapsulate these glitters. Yeah, use an old top coat. You don't want to get glitter in any of your new ones, just to get them nice and smooth. And they were still slightly bumpy when I took them out the lamp, so you'll see me just use a buffer and just buff over them if you feel, or you could give them another top coat, but they weren't too bad. So I just wiped the tacky layer off and just give them a little buff. Can you see me feeling it with my finger there? Just a little buff and it'll smooth it out. So I'm just going to get some stickers stuck on these now. So I'm using the word Chanel. I'm just going to stick one in the middle, and then I'm going to stick another one on each side, kind of slightly hanging off the nail. And then I'll use some scissors, cut that excess off, and I'm going to stick one on the other nail as well. I'll let you watch while I do these stickers. So on this pink nail now, I'm just going to do some little dots. I'm just doing them on the bottom half because I'm going to put some little rhinestones across the middle of this nail. So just a few dots, and that's going to get a 30-second cure. And I'm going to go over that with a top coat as well, like I did with the glitter, because them dots are a bit lumpy. Just to get that nice and smooth. I do love a smooth nail. So we're going to get these finished now. So I wanted these nails to be matte. So I'm using Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Best matte top coat ever, by the way. And a couple of rhinestones. So I'll let you watch this last bit and I'll be back at the end. Right guys, there we go, that's them finished. I think this is one of them sets, it's super easy, anybody could have a go at this, and I think they're really, really cute. I like them a lot. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, 50% off on the 10th till the 12th, Madam Glam website. I'll leave my discount code AggieBF and link in the description box. And also, don't forget, this was a collab. There'll be a playlist. I'd love for you to go and check some of the other ladies out. But yeah, that is it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.